My name is Keandre Cook. I'm currently part of the NIIMBL experience here at ACPHS. I attended Hudson Valley Community College, just graduated with an associate's in biotechnology, and I plan to transfer here to ACPHS for a microbiology bachelor's degree.
NIIMBL is a unique experience sponsored by the National Institute for Innovation of Manufacturing Biopharmaceuticals. The opportunity is for individuals to come in and stay 1 week in a particular setting and learn more about careers in the biomanufacturing path.
First day was basically just like a team building, and then every day after that we kind of had some type of introduction to a pathway of science, equipment that I never heard of, terms that I've never been introduced to, and it just showed just how diverse the scientific field is.
All the coursework that they've taken at HVCC fits in very, very nicely with the rest of the 2 years at ACPHS. We continue their training now in the microbiology program in collaboration with the Center for Biopharmaceutical Education and Training, and they are going to be employment ready right after graduation.
The community colleges in particular are a great resource for talent. Our relationship with HVCC is very important that it provides a wider funnel of students coming into these pipelines and learning about these biotechnology careers that have different perspectives than the traditional academic pathways currently allow.
I do recommend just jumping in. You get the foundation, you know if it's for you through going to Hudson Valley, and after that you come here and this is where you solidify your learning in the field.